Welcome to Drawlipar channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable developer options in your Samsung Galaxy A17 phone. Now the first thing you have to do is open up your settings app. Now from here scroll all the way down, then go to about phone option. From here scroll down again, then go to software information. And here you can find the option which is build number. To enable developer options, you have to tap on 7 times on build number. So just do it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then you have to draw your current pin or pattern. Then just tap on OK. And you can see developer mode has been enabled successfully. Now just go back and scroll down a bit. And at the bottom you can see developer options has been enabled successfully. Now you can change any settings as you want. Also, if you want to disable developer options, just open it again and then just tap here and then go back, and that's it. You can see it's disabled successfully. And that is how you can enable or disable developer options in your Samsung Galaxy A17 phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.